ICT clerk, do I? Honorable Joyce Bagara, do it. Honorable colleagues, please listen. Okay? The clerk is sorting out a technical challenge. Hope you can be submitting as the clerk sorts out a technical challenge. Yeah. Procedure, Honorable Zake. Honorable colleagues, let's listen to Honorable colleagues.
Mr. Speaker, you see, Mr. Speaker, that's what happened yesterday, and the House was adjourned prematurely.
Honorable colleagues, every member should be listened to in silence.
You see, Mr. Speaker, I beg for your protection from these rowdy members. Mr. Speaker, my procedural matter. Go ahead. Mr. Speaker, I beg for your protection. Mr. Speaker, I beg for your protection. Mr. Speaker, I beg for your protection. Members are not listening.
Honorable Zake, first take a seat. Now, honorable colleagues, parting that much. Now, I want to give guidance. As a presiding officer, honorable colleagues, listen. As a presiding officer, the action I can take is only limited by the rules. I can't, even if you demand me to do anything which is outside the rules, I can't do much. I use the rules you gave me. Now, the people, listen. The colleagues who have an issue with Honorable Zake, I referred the matter to Committee on Rules, and that's where my powers stop. Okay? Listen. Okay? And Honorable Zake is still a member of Parliament here, according to our rules. So that's why I request you, Honorable colleagues, that let us not allow the public to judge us. Let us listen to him. He makes his point, and then we go on. Honorable Chumosho, you wanted to say something?
Honorable colleagues, Honorable Speaker, me, it's an appeal to all of us and honorable colleagues, and also appeal to you, Right Honorable, that if it requires for you to be harsh, but to maintain sanity and dignity of all of us, it's very important. Right Honorable Speaker and honorable colleagues, we get a lot of public outrage. We cannot keep in this hullabaloo. Right Honorable Speaker, I beg of you, if it requires suspending most of us, please do. The dignity of Parliament must be maintained.
Thank you, Honorable. Now, into such a line, I usually want us to build consensus. But me, what I know is the best way is to respond to someone. A member has stood up on a point of procedure. Okay? So if he has stood up on a point of procedure, I must listen to him. I must give him an opportunity. That's what the rules you made require me to do. These are your rules. I'm not applying my rules. So, honorable colleagues, I request you that let's have sanity, each one of you. And if you are not satisfied, I will request you, please, not to disorganize the house I'm chairing. Otherwise, I'm being pushed into listing names and using my authority as a presiding officer. Because today, I want first to assure you, today I'm not going to adjourn the house prematurely. because of your behavior, colleagues. I will use my powers under the rules, under the law. I won't adjourn the House prematurely.
The presiding officer, I thank you for your indulgence. My procedural matter is one. Mr. Speaker, yesterday, when a section of the members, the colleagues right here, requested for a video to be played yesterday. No, I mean on Tuesday.
Thursday. On Thursday.
On Thursday.
Yeah.
Thank you for your correction. On Thursday last week, it played instantly without any kind of help. Yet the member came on a procedural matter that day. So, is it procedurally right today to delay our video as the section? Yes, it has been delayed.
Thank you.
Is it procedurally right to delay the video
Thank you.
that is in question right now?
Thank you.
Last time, it played instantly. So for matters of fairness, just like you've requested, that for matters of fairness, the video should be played. So is it really procedure enough
Thank you.
to
Now-
delay that video? I
now,
thank you.
On all of the speaker, only and only stops on granting. I'm not a machine operator. Also to remind you that if I'm to step out of this seat and go to sit on that computer, I must suspend the House. So can we say the speaker suspend the House to go and operate a machine? I cannot. So it's a technical glitch which they've said they are sorting, and I have requested LOP to be making a presentation. By the time maybe he finishes, they would have sorted it out. So LOP kindly, and I'm very sure the words of LOP are very critical in terms of responding to the statement. Procedure, Honorable
Yes,
Segona?
right, Honorable Speaker, I want to thank you very much, and I very much your plate and the contents therein. May I seek your guidance and indulgence that you give the necessary time to matters of governance in this country. I can perfectly understand how hard it is for you to sit in that chair, especially when you're being pressed against time, but only invite you to give utmost caution, especially when we are dealing with matters that relate. Yes, that's my procedural request. And Mr. Speaker, I want to give you assurance that for me, I have no problem even when I receive disruptions from a person as respectable as my honorable brother.
Thank you. Now, honorable colleagues, just wait. I want to put a question. Please. Clerk, can we have our lights properly? Can I have? Honorable colleagues, the nay is heavy. Honorable colleagues, I invoke my powers under Rule 89 for overrule. Nyeko, Honorable Nyeko. Those are the members. House adjourned to tomorrow at 2. Honorable colleagues, the nay is heavy. Honorable colleagues, I invoke my powers under Rule 89 for overrule. Nyeko, Honorable Nyeko. Those are the members. House adjourned to tomorrow at 2. Allow the speaker to rule. Please. Honorable colleagues. Number one. Listen, honorable colleagues. You see, honorable colleagues. Now, Honorable Arioni, you've raised the matter. Allow it to be ruled upon. I want order. And number two, honorable colleagues, this house which we have here, okay? This house which we have here is a house where all of us can accommodate each other in terms of our ideas, in terms of our issues. Now, if a video is concerning a national matter, this is not a conflict, okay? And by the way, why should we behave as if there is anything we are hiding? There is nothing we are hiding. It's in the open. These are issues in the open. We are not hiding anything. So please, let's play the video and we finish. Please, ICT, play the video. Attorney General, I have not allowed you, please. I just called you here to consult with you.